Oh my god, who is Penwood?
It's me.
Is that you, Ben?
Yeah. What up? Welcome
Why
back
is
to
your name
another.
Penwood? I thought it was Venus at first.
We have
I'm scared.
Tenordict and Ray standing here.
Let me
say
just
hi.
remember this my phone. Also,
Say hi,
you know,
guys.
Anna was on this peel board. Well, you know, this board, the plaque.
It's kind of horny.
New
Let's put
Year.
a fan on.
No one, I didn't even know who that was. Wait, what date was this? The
Was
12th
Owen
of
on there?
January. There we
Owen
are.
was on there as well. There was Max.
Oh
That's
yeah.
scary.
We didn't even know who each other were. I mean,
Ben doesn't know who they are either.
and we're standing literally one person apart from each other. Monumental. Actually, don't stand. Let me get the quarter bells down. Hang on.
What is the name of Hannah? Down.
Hang on. Yeah, hang on. Huh?
I'll get this one down.
Okay, let me get the quarter bells out. Going.
Like, are you starting the recording yet?
Yes.
I got so confident down the tenor. The heaviest bell I have from down is 3200 out as heavy as the tenor of Maidstone. What's this happens? You just go to, actually if I would, you just go to like the Belfry cap. The 8th note falls on the wrong side. Yeah.
Let me actually see. Oh no, lights not. Oh my god.
But the 8th note should be right next to the 9th, but it falls on the other side.
It should be next to the 9, not the other.
Yeah, it falls on the wrong side, exactly.
Bit strange. Oh wow, this pen really bleeds.
Is the tenor still climbing?
Yeah, it is.
Damn, I was able to get the Olin tenor climbing a long time.
That was a bit strange.
I managed to get the tenor open today, climbing the whole way down. That's 25 today.
Oh yes, that's right. Yes.
I'm gonna look at the Belfry. This is the nostalgia that I'm gonna be for a while.
What are they here?
Yeah, Max and Ryan joined.
What will be next? Anna
But
will be next.
Daniel, help. How do you get?
Wait, let me have a look at the
How do you
leaderboard.
Just go down this way. No.
Guys, the
What,
people
do
who
you mean
have
how
just
to get
joined.
out or how to get onto the frames?
The people who have just joined, please let them know that we are doing currently, you know what we're doing. Just tell them that.
Oh, hello, down here. And then you walk on the frame.
Yeah, I forgot about this.
Let
And
me
then you
spawn
get
real
the
quick.
lovely... Oh, no, why does Belgium not come?
Oh, they're ringing them. It'll be Max in that town there. I mean, why do you go random? Oh, look how cute this is.
Right, let me get out of here before I
I'm inside of this. I believe this is
get
7.
Can you flip the tenor real quick?
I think I'm inside of the 7.
No, that's a treble. Can you do the tenor real quick?
How did they play Hunt again?
No,
It
the
wasn't
treble.
like
This is the treble.
Hello, Harry.
Imagine being on call at 8:30.
Dan, can you just like ring the tenor real quick?
But
It's oh,
Do that.
PhD.
I have a mad feeling my phone will overheat.
Back.
I have a mad feeling that my phone will overheat. Hopefully it doesn't, but if it overheats, the best really.
I'm turning on the train.
Oh, nice.
I just jumped on the tenor, and now I'm just coming in the tenor.
Who's Mike Wazowski, Little Bob Max? Oh. Wait, could someone let them know that I'm doing their thingy right now?
What's he trying?
I think he's took over. Oh no, he's been penetrated by a wolf. How's that even possible?
He's been penetrated. Whoa.
The impossible has happened. Well, Mike Wazowski looks quite happy to me.
Yeah, very happy.
Oh no, explosion. Oh.
We're filming a time.
Oh, by the way, I just randomly half muffled a single bell.
I'm gonna turn over the 6. I need to make sure that I don't leave knot in it. Do I need knot? I don't think I do. I do not need knot. Let's try it real quick. I was just thinking, when we're done, should we ring them down by any chance, or should we leave them up?
Down.
Yeah, we'll ring them down in random order. How about that? Not yet, though, because we're not done. I'll do some outside sound.
Mini Max says he doesn't consent. No, Mega Max says he doesn't consent.
Yeah. Right. Bye-bye.
Boo-boo.
Oh, I'm on the roof.
I'm chasing him out.
Did you not want to be on?
No.
Oh, well. That's stuck. He's already on that.
Oh my god.
He's going to have to be for one shot, but that's it. Ooh, deep tenor. What are we doing here? By the way, who's Kurt plays? I've never met him before.
Oh, now Anna's joined. Okay, now the whole...
Oh no, now the whole economy's joined. Make sure that she's okay with being on. Just literally word it however you want, really. I'll turn the fan off, it's quite cold. That's fair. On these. Oh, Isaac's on here.
Isaac? No.
Is that Isaac the Ringer? Is that actual Isaac or is that not off? Whatever. Is that a big?
Where?
Is that an intruder? It says Isaac the Ringer 2025.
Oh no, that's him.
Oh, that is Isaac.
Where's the picture? There he is. So I'm next to him in that one on the far right.
Oh, I can see. That's changed a bit.
The owner of this game is on the
Second
right, and then yeah, etc.
What was this? Ring to acknowledge of Pedal Bell games. What did you ring? Quarter peel?
I forgot what it was for really.
A quarter peel of what? Oh, nice table. I'll stay here. Oh, nice, same bar.
Right, they're all moving.
Wait,
Oh,
there
okay.
No, stop.
Don't worry, I can ring the, you know.
I'll ring the 7th.
My leg got blown up. Can't believe it. How is my leg like this? Oops, I'll blow one now. Let me see if I can blow myself up again.
I'm surprised my phone hasn't overheated yet, and it is still quite hot, but it hasn't,
Okay,
it hasn't
nothing's
overheated.
happened to me again. Except oh my gosh. Who is moving that box?
I'll fix it. There we go.
That was definitely not me.
I do not like it when things are perfect, so there.
Let's get the quarter bells down in view. I'm just gonna
Right.
get round.
I'll get the 2nd. Wait,
No, wait.
is this one Anna?
Yeah.
Is she okay with being online?
Oh, she left anyway.
Who's left? See you.
They're all ringing
Anna.
down. Good. I want to hear some time, that's why.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Get off. Get
Hey.
off.
No, just because I'm amputee doesn't mean you get to push me for that.
I'm 99 Robux still not done.
Yeah, I've got extra books, thank you. There, I'm at the top. Just want to kill me at this point. I know my leg's in bad shape. but you want to know.
Roll the box on his head.
Ow!
Guys, it's a magic floating box. Just hang on, I'm really Hannah. Get out.
I think I accidentally got
Oh no, there's a flying box.
and then we'll get the rest out and I have to go after. Oh,
That's it.
very good.
We've been the box of 14 minutes.
Oh, the 10 is really fun.
When the time comes, I'll ring down the 7. When the time comes.
Oh, let's try it.
Wait,
Oh.
what bells are you ringing down next?
Hang on.
Probably. I'll ring it.
Perfect. Shannon, I built a box for Owen. What do you think?
Leave the 7 up. Oh, right.
It's in front of my story, and it thinks like it looks like
I'm going to the belfry and it's pretty dark.
Take my out and try and ring it.
Sorry, these sound very interesting.
I might have to put my
Then I'm trapping
bridge
you.
for a bit because
Then I'm trapping you in the box
Oh,
like
now
that.
the 7 is going out of
Yeah. Oh no. 3 apps closed. My phone is overheated a bit too much. Right, I'll have to end it because my phone is overheating very badly.
Oh dear.
Anyway,
Okay.
we got a
Once
good
these
15
go down, I
minutes.
definitely have to go.
We got a good 15 minutes off, so that's good. And I did ring down like 1 bell, so that's all that was. Anyway, make sure to, if you want to, like, subscribe. See you later.